Congratulations on your pregnancy. This is the beginning of an extraordinary journey that will be filled with countless memorable moments. This is such a special time, filled with anticipation and excitement. The journey of pregnancy is unique for every individual, and each moment brings its own joy and wonder. One of the most incredible milestones is your first ultrasound. This is the moment when the abstract idea of having a baby starts to become a tangible reality. It's a chance to see your little one for the very first time and hear their tiny heartbeat. The sound of that heartbeat is often described as one of the most beautiful sounds expectant parents will ever hear. The first ultrasound usually happens around 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy. During this time, the ultrasound technician will check for the baby's heartbeat, measure the size of the embryo, and estimate the due date. It's a truly magical experience that allows you to connect with your baby in a whole new way. Seeing that tiny flicker of life on the screen can make everything feel so much more real and immediate. While it can feel a bit overwhelming with all the new information and emotions, remember to relax and enjoy this special moment. It's normal to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness, but try to focus on the joy of seeing your baby for the first time. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about your first ultrasound so you can feel prepared and excited for this incredible experience. From understanding the procedure to knowing what to expect, we've got you covered. During the ultrasound, the technician will apply a special gel to your abdomen and use a transducer to capture images of your baby. This process is usually painless and takes about 20 to 30 minutes. You might see your baby's head, tiny limbs, and even some movement. It's a fascinating glimpse into the world of your growing baby. Many parents find this experience deeply emotional. It's a moment that often brings tears of joy and a profound sense of connection to the new life growing inside you. The technician will explain what you're seeing on the screen and answer any questions you might have. Don't hesitate to ask about anything you're curious or concerned about. After the ultrasound, you'll likely receive printed images of your baby. These first pictures are precious keepsakes that many parents cherish and share with family and friends. Consider starting a pregnancy journal to document these early moments. Including ultrasound images and your thoughts can create a beautiful keepsake to look back on in the years to come. Sharing these images with your partner, family, and friends can also help them feel more connected to your pregnancy journey. It's a wonderful way to include loved ones in this special time. Cherish every moment of this incredible journey. Your first ultrasound is just the beginning of many magical experiences to come. Embrace the joy, the wonder, and the love that comes with bringing a new life into the world.
Before you head to your appointment, let's talk about what to wear and bring along. Comfort is key. Ensuring you are comfortable can make a significant difference in your overall experience. Choose loose-fitting clothing that allows easy access to your belly. This will make it easier for the technician to perform the ultrasound without any unnecessary hassle. A two-piece outfit, like yoga pants and a t-shirt, is always a good idea. These types of clothing are not only comfortable but also practical for the procedure. This way, you can lift your shirt without having to remove your entire outfit. It saves time and keeps you feeling more at ease during the scan.
Bringing a loved one for support is always encouraged. Having someone by your side can provide emotional support and make the experience more enjoyable. It's a wonderful experience to share, and they can be there to hold your hand and share in the excitement. The presence of a loved one can also help you feel more relaxed and supported. Don't forget to bring your insurance card and a form of identification as well. These documents are essential for the administrative process and ensuring that your appointment goes smoothly. Additionally, consider packing a small bag with essentials such as a bottle of water, some snacks, and any necessary medical documents. Being prepared can help you feel more at ease and ready for your appointment. Double-check your appointment details, including the time and location, to ensure you arrive on time and at the right place. This can help reduce any last-minute stress or confusion. Finally, take a few moments to practice some relaxation techniques before your appointment. Deep breathing or a short meditation can help calm your nerves and prepare you for the experience ahead. With these tips in mind, you'll be well prepared and ready for your ultrasound appointment. Remember, the goal is to make the experience as comfortable and stress-free as possible.
Now let's walk through what you can expect during the ultrasound itself. This process is both fascinating and reassuring, providing a glimpse into the world of your growing baby. You'll be lying down on a comfortable examination table. It's important to relax and make yourself as comfortable as possible. The more relaxed you are, the easier it will be for the sonographer to get clear images. The sonographer, who is a trained technician, will apply a warm gel to your belly. This gel is specially formulated to help with the transmission of sound waves. It ensures that the images produced are clear and detailed. This gel helps conduct sound waves, which create the images of your baby on the screen. The sound waves travel through the gel and into your body, bouncing back to create a picture of your baby. Don't be surprised if the gel feels a little cold at first. It will warm up quickly. The initial coolness can be a bit of a shock, but it's perfectly normal and nothing to worry about. The sonographer will then move a small device called a transducer over your belly. This device is crucial for capturing the images. It sends out sound waves and receives the echoes that bounce back. This device emits the sound waves that create the images of your baby. As the transducer moves, you might feel a slight pressure, but it shouldn't be uncomfortable. The images will appear on the screen, allowing you to see your baby in real time. This is often a magical moment for many parents, as they get their first glimpse of their little one. The sonographer may point out different parts of your baby, such as the head, arms, and legs, and you might even see your baby moving around. The entire process is designed to be safe and non-invasive, providing valuable information about your baby's development. You might be wondering how this whole ultrasound thing works. It's actually pretty amazing. The ultrasound machine uses high-frequency sound waves to create images of your baby in your womb. These sound waves are completely safe for you and your baby. The gel used during the ultrasound helps transmit these sound waves more effectively. Think of it like a conductor, helping the sound waves travel from the transducer to your baby and back again. During the ultrasound, you might hear the doctor or sonographer use some unfamiliar terms. Don't worry, it's completely normal to feel a little lost in translation. One term you'll likely hear is gestational sac. This is the earliest structure that can be seen on an ultrasound, and it's where your baby develops. You might also hear the term yolk sac. This is a small structure that provides nourishment to your baby in the very early stages of pregnancy. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit nervous before your first ultrasound. After all, this is a big moment. Expectant mother. One of the best things you can do is to talk to your partner, a friend, or a family member about how you're feeling. Sharing your thoughts and emotions can help ease anxiety and make you feel more supported. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on the present moment. This is a time to celebrate the incredible journey of pregnancy and the miracle of life growing inside you. The images captured during your ultrasound are precious keepsakes that you'll treasure for years to come. Expectant mother. Most ultrasound facilities will provide you with printed copies of your baby's first photos. These images are not only a wonderful reminder of this special time, but also a tangible way to share your joy with loved ones. Feel free to ask the sonographer if they can capture specific images that you'd like to have, such as a profile view of your baby's face. After your ultrasound, the sonographer will review the images with you and answer any questions you might have. They'll provide you with information about your baby's growth and development, as well as any next steps in your prenatal care. Doctor, you'll schedule your next appointment, which will likely be another ultrasound in a few weeks. This is a great time to ask your doctor about any concerns you might have, or to clarify anything you didn't fully understand during the ultrasound.